Oh, what's up everybody? Titans of CNC inside the Ibarmia. And this is the monster 1,700 pound. It's not 1,700 pounds anymore, but it's still a monster beast piece that Barry just took the high feed mill on Saturday's video and just plowed right through this thing. Now we're gonna bring in more tools, huge drills, and we're gonna make this incredible aerospace part, and it's gonna be amazing. Not only are we making the part, but we're gonna show all programming, and we're gonna teach you exactly how to program and machine all of it. Now, this is high level because we're in a monster machine, and this is going on our Aerospace Academy. So what we're about is about teaching you guys how to compete on a high level. And today I'm excited because I get to announce the new Titan inspired, I'll just say Titan inspired, Kennametal promotion that's going to allow you guys to get crazy tools at 50 to 60% off, sometimes more, sometimes less, but a crazy promo. So all of you guys, from small shops to big shops, you guys are going to get crazy tools at crazy prices. Now here's the three platforms. We got the Dodeca Mini. It is an awesome shell mill. It has 12 cutting sides. It goes from 2-inch to 3-inch. It is a shell mill. You can shoulder mill, you can face, you can do it all. And the reason I love this tool is because you have inserts for all materials, from aluminum to steel to stainless to titanium to Inconel to Monel, you name it, one standard tool for all applications. Boom. Now for the second platform, we got the Go Drill. Same thing, an amazing standard tool that you can drill plastic, aluminum, steel, titanium, Inconel. You can drill anything. And this tool is already at a fair price. And now Kennametal has just brought crazy discounts on this tool also. Beyond that, the last platform is Beyond Evolution. It is a part-off tool. It is a grooving tool. You have crazy stability. You have coolant through the tools. So whether it's through spindle coolant or high pressure coolant coming through that spindle, this is the perfect tool to get those chips out of it. And it's an amazing platform. And you can literally get this tool and a box of inserts for like $100. When does that ever happen? All types of inserts for different materials. You can even put that button full radius insert on there like you saw Travis going back and forth with that cool Mastercam cut. Now, even more exciting, all of these tools can be purchased on our Academy store. So look down in the description, you'll see the link right there. You'll have all of these deals, plus you'll have the other tools like the Harvey 1TE, the ball mills, the Harvey 3, the Core 5, different shell mills. You will see them all on our store. And when you purchase from our store, you're helping us fund free, legit education for the trade. We give everything for free so we can help you guys out there rise to another level so you can take care of your family, so you can take care of your companies, and you can compete in a global market. I love you guys. I love this trade. Check out this sale. If it wasn't amazing, I wouldn't put my name on it, all right? So check out the promo and stay tuned for more videos showing this entire part become a precision, perfectly milled part, and we're teaching you all about it. Love you guys. I'm out. Boom.